Hi, Tom Lydon here in Hollywood, Florida at the Inside ETF conference, and I'm here with Bill Belden and Christian Magoon from Amplify ETFs. Great seeing you guys.
Good seeing you too. Last day of the conference.
Last day of the conference.
Great conference though.
A lot of exciting things, a lot of new news, a lot of new ETFs, a lot of talk about thematic ETFs, which you folks specialize in. So what is it about thematic ETFs that are making them so popular?
Well, I think investors are looking for access to new segments in the market, but they may not want to buy one or two stocks. They want to buy a basket that's professionally selected. And I think that's where we come in with a thematic ETF to provide that convenient, professionally selected option.
Hey Bill, give us an example of one of your most popular thematic ETFs.
Yeah, our most popular thematic is Online Retail IBUY. We launched that almost 3 years ago, and since then delivered phenomenal value for investors looking to take advantage of the really strong trend of growth in the online retail space in contrast.
So give an example of some of the constituents in that.
So big constituents of that, of course, Amazon's going to be a significant player in that space. But interestingly enough, internationally, there's a strong growth there too. We've got 25% exposure in iBuy, and we just launched XBuy, which is 100% international exposure to online retail. So really looking to build upon the strength of that story for people.
Especially emerging markets, right? Yeah. How about another example?
So we have an interesting ETF that's performed really poorly over the last year. That's our Battery Metals and Materials ETF, BAT. So these are advanced battery metals and materials companies, lithium, manganese, cobalt, and this China trade war has just clobbered them, off over 35% since the minute. Well, we think so, because they could be maybe the best performing market segment if a China trade deal happens. It's a macro issue because we know the underlying demand for electric vehicles, smart devices, energy storage is exponentially growing, but the supply is very constrained. So BAT would be a thematic that I think investors need to look at as a potential China trade deal kind of benefactor. It has the potential to, have a significant year. I mean, when you're down 40, you have a chance to maybe rally 40 or 50% on the upside when a macro event is lifted. So we're watching that closely as well.
Excellent. And can you give us any indication of what might be coming?
Yeah, that's a great question. So I'll tell you, we just filed for a cannabis-related ETF, actively managed by someone named Tim Seymour, who I know we all know.
He's great.
CNBC's Fast Money, and really somebody who's specialized as an investor and a board member in the cannabis space. So we're hoping to deliver true expertise in the form of an actively managed cannabis equity portfolio. We're really excited about that, and I think Bill can tell you about something we're going to do in financials, which is fairly disruptive.
Peer-to-peer lending is a product that we have queued up too. Similar to 2000 in the case of battery metals, financials were down last year, and they're really poised to perform well. Actually, they've gotten off to a great start. So we're preparing to launch a peer-to-peer lending ETF later in 2019.
You guys are busy.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for coming by. It's always great seeing you.
Thanks, Tom.
Thank you.
Thank you.